Good morning, my sweet babies. It is 9:15 in the morning. These waves, y'all hear them, don't you? Well, got today and tonight. Leaving tomorrow. I wish I knew how to flip this camera around so I can show y'all. I'm gonna try. I don't know. Let me see. I don't even know what this button here is for. What is that? Anyway, it's gorgeous this morning. I got a blister. Y'all see it? That sun is not playing. Not by no means. Oh, it's like a different sun here. Feels like it anyway. I'm going to try to flip it around. If not, I'm going to stop the video and add to it, okay? All right, babies. I love y'all. Bye. Okay, here we go. I just love these waves. Y'all, they are so soothing to me. I don't know if I can get you. Yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness. A little cloudy. It's supposed to be a little rain today. But wow, look at the beach. Just white sand. And then down here we have the pool. This is our pool. And then the kiddie pool. And then we have 2 hot tubs and a heated pool on the inside that we found yesterday. So we'll probably be hitting that hot tub because honey babies walking on that sand. Oh, my sweet Jesus. The bottom part of my legs is sore. Back is sore. Oh, I am telling you, it is something else. I ain't never got so much exercise in my life. Those waves knocked me flat on my butt yesterday. My sister kept saying, oh, come on, because the water was cold. It wasn't bad cold, but it was a little chilly. And she kept saying, come on, you'll get used to it, just come on. So I get where she's at, and a big wave comes and knocks me flat on my butt. And washes me ashore. Look, ain't it beautiful? It's beautiful. All right, babies. I love y'all. I'll be doing a video Sunday when I get home because I've already picked up a whole lot of seashells and pieces that looks like glass, sea glass. I can't wait to show y'all. I love y'all. Have a blessed day. Bye. It was horrible.